Good morning, students. Today, I hope you are well. So, we are discussing chapter 3 personalizing the Windows 10 environment. Okay, so we have already studied what is personalizing, what is Windows 10 environment, version of Windows. Windows. Okay, we already discussed how to open personalizing setting. We have already discussed all the things here. What are the features? Okay, today we discuss about the how to set the desktop background. Okay, setting the desktop background step by step. Today we will learn how to set desktop background. Okay, so the what is desktop? The first screen that appears after loading the program. When you switch on the computer, first screen will be appear, that is the desktop. We will discuss. Okay, the pictures which whatever we see, that are the background. Okay, the picture that appear as a background on the desktop is called wallpaper. What is wallpaper? If someone asks what is wallpaper, we can answer the pictures that appear as a background on the desktop. That means it is the background of desktop. Okay, it is the background of desktop is called wallpaper. Okay, so your choice of the desktop background usually reflect your personal taste, what you like you see when your application are minimized or closed. Here we can choose our pictures what we want to see on computers as a wallpaper. Okay, you can set your desktop background on any of these type of backgrounds. Okay, there are the three methods to set the desktop background. Okay, first method is we can set the pictures, we can set the solid color, and we can set the slideshow. Okay, every minute the pictures will be changed will be slideshow. Okay, so here we discuss one by one. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग एक एक करके स्टेप बाय स्टेप बैकग्राउंड को, डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड को कैसे चेंज करते हैं हम लोग सीखेंगे. ठीक है. ओके, कम टू फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिस्कस how to change the desktop background with the help of picture. If we want to set the pictures on our desktop, okay, we can set by following these steps. Step 1, what? Step 1, select the background option. What we select? Step 1 is select the background option. Okay, first we have to click on the setting option, then personalize option, then comes to step 1. Okay, select the background option. Then step 2, select the picture option from the background drop down menu. Then what we have to do? We have to select the pictures option from the background drop down menu. Okay, then step third we can select the desired picture. Whatever we want to see on the computer, we have to select the desired pictures. Okay, then our last step is select the suitable option from the choose a fit down drop down menu. Then what we have to do? We can choose our pictures according to their desktop background to fit. Okay, so select the suitable option from the choose a fit drop down menu. Then we can set a picture on the desktop just like it, just like a pictures of a person is swimming under the waters. So this picture we can set on the our computer desktop. Okay, this is the background of the desktop. Okay, so in this way, first method we can set. Our second method is what? Our second method is we can set the solid color. We can set the solid color. If we don't want to any pictures on our desktop, we can set only color on our desktop background. Okay, so our first step to set, what we have to do? Our first step is select the background option. Select the background option. How we get background option? First we have to go to setting, we have to personalize setting, personalization, then we comes to select the background option. Then step 2, select the tool solid color. What we have to do? Select the tools solid color. Okay, here you can see select the tools solid color option from the background drop down menu. Then step 3, select the desired color. Then what have to do? We have to select our third step, select the desired color. Okay, in this way we can set the background of our desktop. Okay, so after selecting the color we can see our desktop will be appear just like it. Okay, only color will be show our desktop. Okay, so you can set our wallpaper themes in this way. Okay, okay, thank you.